Okay, I want to introduce you to a new piece of equipment that's going to be on every engine. This is the Wheeler Rex pipe clamp. It is purchased and added to our inventory in order to shut off gas flow in plastic gas lines. It's very simple operation. It is a squeeze clamp, so it will work on from anywhere from 3/8 inch pipe up to 2-inch pipe. You simply open it, you lift up on this, and it will swing out. You would then place your pipe inside of it and close it. You have to lift up on it slightly to get it to close, and then you tighten this down until it comes in contact with the pipe. Then you get the ratchet with the included one size socket that fits this nut on top. This is the handle that you can apply reverse force with. Make sure your ratchet is set to tighten. Put it on top, and you would simply operate. Obviously, you're going to tighten this down by hand as far as you can. When you can no longer tighten it by hand, you use the ratchet. And you continue to tighten until the flow is stopped. So, as you can see, this would work for a fire hose, but it is designed to be used with natural gas lines. Any questions? You can direct them to me or Zach or anybody that's familiar with the tool. Each piece of each kit is engraved with what kit, what truck it goes on. Please keep these together and keep them on the truck. Thank you.